2, 1. All right, today's a big day. So they locked the gate up here, but I gotta get to this dam. I work on this dam for my construction job, so I know all the codes. I think we're gonna send it today, boys. Let's get it. So we're through the gate. I guess that means we got the whole road to ourselves. All right, gate number 2. Is it like? Hey, I work here though.
He works. Yeah, he works here.
Let's go! So it's Sunday. I work here Monday through Friday. No one works here on the weekends. Absolutely no one. All right, coast is clear. There's no one on the job. So I'm gonna take all my construction stuff off, because I don't gotta prove nothing to anyone anymore. All right, it's gonna be crazy. Woo! Ready? Off we go. We got Keenan here. He's gonna get the extra angles going. So, I'm pretty sure this is illegal. Even though I work here, I don't know what would happen, but I think it'll be all right. So I think the one I'm sending today is 105 feet. The highest I've ever sent before is 75. So this is gonna be a big step up for me. I brought my wetsuit for the extra cushioning, I guess. This is definitely wild. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be worth it nonetheless. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go down and we're gonna check the depth. I know it's deep because it's a reservoir of a dam, but you always gotta check the depth. Always, always, always. And then hopefully we're gonna send it. So I'll be jumping right into there. We gotta depth check it first though. All right, cheers, let's get it. Oh, it's already deep as fuck. Just got done depth checking. It's deep as fuck. If I had to put a number to it, probably like deep as fuck. I don't know. So that's good. Originally, I came here thinking I'd send it off the top, the very top. When I got down here to the bottom, no fucking way. I'm not doing that much. Maybe another time, but Today I'm sending the 105 footer. I'm not even close to the spot yet and I'm fucking shaking. Oh my God. It feels good, it feels good. Oh, it's gonna feel even better when I get to the water. Let's go!
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll
Yeah, I made it out alive. That was the gnarliest feeling of my entire fucking life. Would I do it again? Probably. Will I do it again today? No. But check this shit out. This shit fell off. Well, dude, I gained a good ass experience and I lost a shoe and sock.
When we were walking down there,
Good fucking trade. We got a long hike home. All right, so we're driving back home now. I gotta say, that was the craziest thing I've ever done in my life. We got away with it. There was a cop waiting for me at the bottom, but I guess they didn't have the patience and they left. I landed pretty good. My heels kind of hit. I didn't point my toes as much as I imagined. So I kind of hurt my ankle a little bit, nothing crazy. I kind of like coiled up when I hit the water, so my lower back is in a tiny bit of pain. I lost a shoe and a sock, and that's it. I mean, I feel great. Yeah, I hope you guys liked that video. It was definitely a crazy experience, and I'm happy you guys could experience it a little bit with me, so.
This fucking madman, man! Ah!
It was pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. All right, see you guys, peace out.